Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. My MIRONEY makes a great doorknob. This is in their color black and it is very durable. It was very easy to install. It also comes with all of the screws and accessories that you need. And the reason that I really like these is because we were trying to match it with my dresser doorknobs. We just installed these and we absolutely love all of the new storage in our bedroom, but it didn't come with any type of doorknob. So these have been great. They're easy to use, easy to open. These doors are very tall, very big. It's a very heavy storage that we put in here, and this holds up to all of that weight. So if you are looking for a great doorknob that is going to be quality, it's going to last you a long time, it's at a great price, it's easy to install, then I would highly recommend you check these out. But that's just my point of view.